So this is how I treat myself. I have hydrocephalus. And this is a way for me to treat the pressure buildup in my cerebral spinal fluid system. And it's also a way to treat a lot of other ailments. But this is a homemade, do-it-yourself still point inducer. I've come to this over quite a few years of trying to figure out how to relieve the pressure in my head. I was having chronic headaches and a lot of other problems associated with hydrocephalus. And we came up with this through my physical therapist and a chiropractor that I'd been going to. This is a buckwheat hull pillow. My sister made this for me. It's full of buckwheat hulls that I bought at the health food store. And then she made the bag and we put it inside of there. These are just youth tennis balls. They're very soft. The way that I use them is inside of a sock so that I can kind of get them spaced the way that I like them. And the spacing for me is 2 fingers width because of the bony protrusions on the back of my skull. That's about the right distance apart. And then I put them in the sock and have a twisty tie. Once I get it the way I like it, I wrap the twisty tie around the sock and tie it off, and they stay exactly at the right spacing for me. And you can see that kind of a crucial thing here is the buckwheat hull pillow, because you can shape it, put the tennis balls in there, and it'll stay. And you can lay, this supports my neck. I would be laying like this, my neck would be here, the back of my skull would be on the tennis balls, on those bony protrusions. And this, I use it every day. It has helped me immensely, getting past some of the disabilities associated with this hydrocephalus. And it's allowed me not to have a invasive surgery where they would poke tubes into the ventricles in my brain to drain the fluid out. This inducing a still point with this setup seems to relieve that pressure. So you can check this out on the internet. There's lots of different videos about inducing a still point. There are professionals that do this for their therapy, but this is a way you can do it for yourself at home. I hope that helps.